Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through some common dock maintenance for the Roborock Saros 10. If you're interested in the Saros 10, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, let's start at the very top of our station here, and that's going to be our clean and dirty water tank. So there's a little lid, just grab and open up, and that reveals our clean and dirty water tanks that we can grab and remove. With them removed, in here, visually inspect for any debris or water, and you can wipe it down accordingly. And same for these three spots right there at the top. Make sure there's no debris or obstructions blocking the flow. And down below right here, I believe that's a drainage hole for the dirty water tank, so make sure that's clear as well. It's never a bad idea to clean your clean and dirty water tank. So on the clean water tank right here, you can always rinse that out, and you can pop this guy out when it's time to easily replace as needed. Then it just snaps right back in place there. So you can just gently press it back in for the clean water tank. And then dirty water tank, same thing. I would clean this one more frequently just to keep odors and any sort of debris that's starting to settle in the bottom, just to keep that all nice and clean. You got your float there, but you can rinse that one out. I would do this one after every couple of cleans at the latest if possible, and you can add a little bit of mouthwash if you want to make sure that that dirty water is nice and fresh. Not a big deal though, but make sure you're cleaning the dirty water tank, and then occasionally if you want to clean the clean water tank as well, not a bad idea. Moving further down the station, we have our door that we can press to open to reveal our vacuum bag. So when that's full, you're going to want to replace the vacuum bag. And on the inside here, you can just gently wipe that down. Compressed air would be your best friend, so you can just really give this station a nice clean right there. And then you can take your new bag and just pop it and press it right back in place. Solution tank, not much to do here besides make sure that it's nice and full and monitor those levels. And then that leads us to the very bottom. So this system's really cool with how it cleans the mop pad. Our removable tray is actually pretty small. So we have this little guy that we can remove and clean if there's any debris that's starting to collect on there. And he's tucked right there on the inside. We can wipe down the rest of the inside right here with just a wipe. You can monitor the brush on the side too for any hair or tangles. And then for our separate side mop pad, this little guy just pops up and out of the way. You can pull it out. You can rinse and wash that out, clean it out as needed. You can wipe down in there as well. And then just gently put it right back on the station. So very easy to care and clean and maintain your Saros 10 station.